This is the GY6 4-stroke. GY6s are commonly used in ATVs, dune buggies, scooters, and go-karts. They feature belt-driven transmissions and do come in a bunch of different configurations. They range anywhere from about 50 cc's up into 250 cc's. They are known to be an extremely reliable engine, maybe a little underpowered, but they will get you where you need to go. As I mentioned, different configurations. The belt case size you're going to want to watch. This is a short case, features 8 bolts around the outside. The long case features 10. You're going to need to know that for when you're looking for your proper belt. Also, other things you're going to need to watch for, the configuration on the back here. This shaft, there's a bunch of different designs for here. Your sprocket may run right off of here. This may feed a shifted transmission for ATVs. You're going to need to know if it's electric start, kick start, or a combination of both. And then to find your engine size, you're just going to look down on the bottom of the case down here, and it's engraved there. It'll tell you a serial number and the size, like the CC size. Common upgrades on these, definitely going to want to get yourself a good high quality carburetor. Our carburetors are an awesome bolt-on for these. Get yourself a good high quality ignition coil. This one, for example, is a performance coil, give you a little bit stronger spark. You want a little bit more rev out of your machine, get yourself a good high quality CDI box. This is a performance module. Starter solenoids. These are common on regardless of any type of machine. Get yourself a good high quality one like ours. These will definitely improve your ride. If you're having stator problems, check out our stator selection. We offer great high quality replacement stators. We also offer high quality replacement drive belts and clutch assemblies.